Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. Today we are going to make 3 different types of party poppers. So let's get started with the tutorial. First we are going to make a rectangle box. For making the box, you need to draw and cut a rectangle as shown. Cut a strip from foldable cardboard. Bend the edges as shown in the video. Apply glue and stick the edges. Mark the end point and draw a line. Bend the strips from the line and cut the bottom strip and stick it on the other side. Repeat the process for all sides. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. The excess part you need to glue and stick it. Give a cut so that we can easily pass the cardboard sheet. Make a hole at 2 opposite sides to pass a rope, which will help you to hang this box. I am using a nylon string which will take the load of the box. Decorate the box however you like. Fill the box with colorful papers, chocolates or letters. Please do not fill too much of chocolates as the box will not take too much of load. Use a double-side tape to cover the gaps. Tie a string so that you can pull the lid. Your party pop-up is ready. Draw and cut a circle of 20 cm each. Take a strip of foldable cardboard, bend the edges and make cuts as shown. Now draw a square of 12 cm, cut 3 sides as shown and make a hole. Take the other circle cutout and glue it with the strips. Cut the excess strip and stick it with a tape. Glue the other circle, decorate it as you want. Fill colorful papers, letters, chocolates. Now tie a string and tape the edges. Kindly tape the edges lightly so that it can open easily. Your second type of party popper is ready. Draw and cut a square of 18 cm. Now cut a strips from foldable cardboards, bend the edges and make cuts as shown in the video. Apply glue and stick the square, mark the end point and draw a line. Bend the strips and stick it on the other side. Repeat the process for all sides. Stick the excess part with glue or tape. Decorate the box. Make a hole on 3 sides of the box. Take a coconut stick or broomstick, whichever is available. Break it into 2 pieces. Make a cross and tie it tightly with the thread. Now tie it with another string and pass the string from the top hole. Do not pass it completely, leave a bit hanging. Tie a knot at the top. Pass a rope from two opposite sides, which will help you to hang the box. Fill the box with colorful papers, letters, chocolates, etc. You need to cover the box with newspaper, but don't forget to make a hole and pass the string, which is tied to the bundle of sticks, so that the box will open when the strings is pulled. Decorate the box as you want. Your box is ready. If you have any queries or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video.